Hello and welcome back to Catch and Cook California. So we've been pretty busy, done a lot of videos, a lot of adventures, and we just realized this week that we never posted this video. So what we're doing today is it's a little throwback footage to the end of squirrel season, which ended at the end of January, and we're gonna go for a gray squirrel, and then we're gonna cook it up in a hillbilly pot pie.
Start that.
Ways alive.
So we had to work for this one, that's for sure. But finally got our gray squirrel into season last few days, and we're gonna skin this out. I'm gonna keep the fur. I'll show you what we do with that, and then I'm really excited to show you one of my very favorite recipes, only seasonally available with these beautiful gray squirrels. This is a modified recipe from my mom. She provided the crust, and I'm really freaking excited about this. Damn, this is good. Yeah, I feel you. You got the smokiness from the bacon. That pie crust. Oh yeah, my mom made the pie crust from scratch.
It's so good, that pie crust. You know what though? I wish I had it on the bottom too. I love pie crust. I feel like I need to tell all my friends that I ate squirrel pot pie.
Well, you won't have to, because once you're done with this, you'll be climbing all over everything. Ha. Ha. I'll be here all night.